Do you want to delete or deactivate your TikTok account on your iPhone? Don't worry, here's a step-by-step guide on how to delete your TikTok account on your iPhone or Android. This is a very quick and easy task. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Open the TikTok app, tap on Profile. After that, tap on the three horizontal lines and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here you can see the account option. Tap on it, and now tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Here you can see two options. You can delete the account permanently or temporarily. Select as you want to tap on it. In this case, I am selecting temporarily delete my account. And now select any reason you can, or you can also skip it, and tap on Continue. Again, tap on Continue, and your account will be deactivated for some time. So, this is the procedure. You can permanently or temporarily delete your TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.